Hello everyone, welcome back to How Tutors. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can delete permanently any chat on your Google Chat. Okay, so when you long press any account you want to delete, then you'll see hide conversation. So hide conversation and delete conversation, it's two term and it's different. Okay, so when you hide, then it will be hide from this option. Then when they send you message, then that ID will be appear here, and also that the text. So how can you delete all things? So here you can see I just going to click on inbox, and then you go to click here and this one. Wait a second, just click on this ID name and scroll down. Then here you can see three option: block, hide conversation, and delete conversation. So this one, simply click on delete conversation and click delete, and yeah, the conversation will be deleted permanently. So if you want to start again talking with him or her, then you have to see the new one. You will not see the previous message. Okay friend, today is Norman. Thank you for watching this video.